Hello bachon, let's see the question here. EDTA, often abbreviated as H4Y, forms very stable complexes with almost all metal ions. Calculate the fraction of EDTA in the fully protonated form H4Y in a solution obtained by dissolving 0.1 mole Na4Y in 1 liter. The acid dissociation constants of H4Y K1 1.02 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2, K2 2.13 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3, K3 6.92 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7, K4 5.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. So here we will start with key concept in this case. So for the first part, here Na4Y on reaction with water. So here this will be in equilibrium with Na3YH plus NaOH और इसके लिए हमारे पास है K4 की वैल्यू गिवन and hence Kw divided by K4. Kw क्या होता है 10 raised to power minus 14 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. So this will be equal to 1.818 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay? और यहाँ पर हमारे पास given है कि जो initial and final जो concentration की values होगी, so initial concentration is 0.1 mole for Na4Y and after, so that is final will be 0.1 minus, suppose X is dissociated and here Na3YH X is formed in this case. Okay. So this will be equal to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. So here Kw by K4 that is 1.818 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 4. This will be equal to here X mole multiplied by H that is X square divided by 0.1 minus X. When we will solve this, here we will get value of X as 4.17 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay. अब हम next के लिए solve करते हैं. That is we have Na3YH plus H2O. Here this will be Na2YH2 plus NaOH. इस केस के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? Here we will have Kw divided by K3 in this case. So this will be equal to 1.445 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. Okay. And यहाँ पे अब Na3YH की concentration क्या थी? Initial ये थी X. So this is the initial concentration here. तो final concentration इस केस में कितनी हो जाएगी? Final will be X. Suppose minus Y is formed. So here this will be Y. Okay. And NaOH यहाँ पे X था. So this will be Y plus X. Okay. Here this will be Y multiplied by Y plus X divided by this will be X minus Y. Here as we know that Y this is really less than X. So due to that Y plus X this will be almost equal to X and X minus Y is also equal to X. Okay. So here in this case this will be equal to Y multiplied by X divided by X minus Y. This is also equal to X here. So here this will be equal to Y and Kw by K3 this is equal to 1.445 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. Similarly, next moving forward, Na2YH2 plus H2O, this will be in equilibrium with NaHY3 plus NaOH. Here we will find out the value of Kw divided by K2 which will be equal to 4.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12. In this case, initial, and we will find out final concentration. So initial was Y. So this will be Y minus Z. And here we will have Z, and this will be Z plus X plus Y. This was almost equal to X. So this will be Z plus X. Similarly, in this case also, we will going to have here Z will be really less than X. Z will be really less than Y as well. Okay, that means in this case, Z plus X, this is almost equal to X, and Y minus Z, this is almost equal to Y. So this will be Z multiplied by Z plus X divided by Y minus Z. This will be equal to, so Z multiplied by X divided by Y, this will be, which will be equal to 4.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12. So that means what we will do here, in this case, we will substitute values of X and Y. And when we will solve, so Z will be equal to 1.628 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 17. Okay. Now, next moving forward, here this will be NaH3Y plus H2O, and this will be in equilibrium with H4Y plus NaOH. At this point, Kw divided by K1, this will be equal to 9.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 13. यहाँ पर initial concentration कितनी थी? Z. So here in this case, final concentration, this will be Z minus N, and here N is formed, and this will be N plus X. Okay. At this position, here Z is really greater than N and X is really greater than N. Okay. So here X plus N, this will be almost equal to X, and Z minus N, this will be almost equal to Z. So here when we will solve this, that is N multiplied by N plus X divided by Z minus N, ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? N multiplied by X divided by Z. So here we can substitute the values of Z and X, and this is equal to 9.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 13. So on solving, value of N will be 3.82 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 26. और जैसा कि हमसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था, we have to calculate the fraction of EDTA in the fully protonated form, that is H4Y. So here the concentration of H4Y was N, and value of N is 3.82 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 26. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.